Code with Kaleem. In this video I'm going to explain you that how you can make a nested loop in an Angular. So in this video first I will cover that how to make in order to achieve the nested loop we have to follow the following procedure. First we will make a array, and then after that we will apply a loop on it, and at the third point we will make a nested array. Some people also call it as a multi-dimensional array, and at the end we will apply loop on nested arrays, and so we'll see that how we can achieve. So let's jump into the practical example. In first go I will just mention the one array, a simple array. In this I'm just going to add some user in it. So I'm not going to make a big list here, but just I wanted to demonstrate that how you can handle this one. So first I will make for instance one name with a Kaleem and a phone number. For instance, like it could be like this, and I will just copy the same and I will add it here like this. So I'm going to just change the numbers here. For instance, Smith, and after that I'll just add another one more. It could be like John or John, something like this, 178 blah blah. So after that I will just call this in HTML file, and here I'm going to call this one. For this I'm going to add unordered list, and for unordered list I'm going to just define li. For li in unordered list I'm going to define the ng for loop, and here I'm just mention the users of users, right? And here we can just call it by using interpolator, and you already did, and you can see my previous video as well if you not learned this yet. So for this one I just call the user.name, and I will just copy it another one, that is the phone number we have available, and then we will see whether it's working or not. So let's see whether it's working or not. So you can see here that it started working. Nested loop, Kaleem, Sami, Smith, blah blah. So it's coming up. So now let's jump into the next point, that how we can do the nested loop. That is a main question and a main stuff for this video. So for that one I'm going to define another array. So for that one I'm going to define, for instance, social accounts, and for social account I will define another one. For instance, I will define the Facebook, and could be Insta, could be Gmail. So I will just copy this one and we'll paste it here, and we'll paste it here and here as well. So here I will just change it. For instance, it could be Twitter, Insta, and TikTok, and here Yahoo, and it could be Twitter and Yahoo, and here it could be TikTok, Insta, and you can say any other platform. So how we can display this one? So in order to display this one you can just go there and just copy this and use user.social accounts here. Now let's first see that how it comes up. So where we are, so you can see here that it comes up like this: Facebook, Insta, Gmail. But we should make it some decent look for this one, so let's work on that one. And for that I'm going to use the proper loop here, and in order to use that one let's make another one, UI, another UI, and another UI I'm going to define ng for, and here I'm going to define let's account of user.social accounts, right? And after that I'm going to define another list item, and what will be that? I will define the interpolator here, and account I will just use that one. So for this one we can just define it here, static text social accounts, right? And it will be social account, and also define, make it clean and good here. Just define the name and phone number. Just define the phone number here, and now let's save and see whether it's working and how it's come up. Now let's see. So you can see it here that we use the nested loop as well inside the Angular, and now it's look better, right? So I hope that you guys learned something in this video as well. So for the interview question, it could be one interview question that how you can make the nested loop, that I have already explained you that. So I think that was the main point of this video. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video. Please stay tuned with my channel. I'm going to deliver more lectures on Angular and other texts as well. Thank you guys.